How to find Doordash promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Doordash promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website. In this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Doordash. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 70% off, 80% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Doordash. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account. Make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Either type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Doordash. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Doordash. So this way, you can easily find Doordash working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.